we are going to do a presentation on a project we are required to create a database system, which is Toyota Management System in MySQL application. First of all, we have to create relation data model and entity relationship diagram, which is also called as ERD. These are very important because these are the main key points that we have needed to create a database system in any software applications such as MySQL and PHP. In the question, it has been stated that there is 5 tables that we have to create, which is vehicle table, manufacturer table, promoter table, client table, and sales table. Once we have created the relations data model, we are proceeded to create the entity relationship diagram. In this project, we have used the cross-fit entity relationship diagram due to the lots of entities that has been used for this project. Now I will be explaining the flow of this diagram. One manufacturer has many vehicles. At the same time, one manufacturer has many promoters. Many clients have one promoter. And last, many sales has one vehicle. Each of the data table we have created in the relation data model, there are certain keys that you have to take notice. In the vehicle table, you have the primary key is the V serial no, and the foreign key is MID. In the manufacturer table, you have MID as the primary key. At the promoter, you have PID. At the client, you have CID and SID as a primary key for the sales. At the same time, in this table, we have 3 foreign keys, which is CID, PID, and V serial no.
Develop a database system for the Toyota Management System using any appropriate database software, for example MySQL, Oracle, DB2, Microsoft SQL Server. Then create table for all the entities with complete attributes. First of all, I create the database. In this case, the database create was Toyota Management System. The second, I have to create that manufacturer table that I insert MID, M name, M address, M phone number, and the primary key stands for MID. The second, I insert vehicle table that I insert V series serial number, V name, year, color, accessories, cost, MID, and primary key stands for V serial number, and MID stands for foreign key. The promoter table I create and I insert PID, P name, P phone number, email, and primary key stands for PID. And I create client table and I insert CID, C name, age, phone number, occupation, address, email, and primary stands for CID. And the last, I create a sales table and I insert SID, S status, date of buy, total price, discount rate, CID, PID, V serial number, and primary key stands for SID, foreign key stands for CID, PID, and V serial number.
We have completed to do the relation data in the database. Now we can insert the values in the relation. For example, in the manufacturer table, we are using the code word which is insert into for manufacturer by using the keys such as MID, MNAME, M address, and M phone number. Next, we have to put the code called values. So using the table, you have to insert each and every data that has been used in the table. You have to repeat the same process to other 4 tables, which is vehicle, promoter, client, and sales table. Now, we are able to write the query and show the results to find the total profit of the service center. In this query, we are using the select S underscore total price times by S underscore discount rate divided by 100. And at the second number, we are using the from sales. By this, we can get the data from the sales table. In the end, you get the results from the rows from 0 to 4, which is you get the total price from the sales and the discount rate. Repeat the same process to do the total price, which is select sum bracket s underscore total price close bracket, and use the same table, the sales table, and add from in the add query. In the end, you get the total price of the selected sum. For the fourth question, we are required to write a query and show the result to find the average age of the clients that has been registered with the Toyota management system. Using the select AVG or average from the entity CH and from the client table, we are able to average each of the clients that we have that has been registered with the Toyota management system. Now we have created a database system. Now we can run the SQ query and able to find all the data we needed.